Hello everyone, here is how you can add currency to a cell or group of cells. First, click on the cell that you're trying to add currency to, and then under this Home tab, you'll notice that there is a drop down for number formats. Click on this drop down and click on the currency option. You'll notice that the dollar sign has appeared in front of the numbers. When we click on this currency, the dollar sign has appeared because the inbuilt currency is US dollars. We can also change this to a different currency by right-clicking on the cell and then clicking on Format Cells. And under this currency, you can go ahead and select the currency that you're looking to add. I'll go ahead and click on this Japanese yen, and you can also change this decimal places to none or however many you desire. I'll leave it as 2 decimal places here, and then I'll go ahead and click OK. Now you'll notice that the currency has changed to Japanese yen. You can also do the same for multiple cells by selecting multiple cells and right-clicking and clicking on the format cells. Now under this number again, click on currency and select the currency that you're looking to add. I'll go ahead and select Japanese yen again and leave the decimal places to 2. And I'll go ahead and click OK. Now you'll notice that the currency has now changed to yen for all of these selected cells. This is how you can add or change currency for the desired cell or cells. Hope this video helps you all. If this video helps you, please consider giving it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing to my channel as well. Thank you all. Bye-bye.